So here what we'll do is we'll convert this sentence into an algebraic equation if possible. So let's read it first. It says 5, so that's the number 5 minus, so we can translate that with a minus sign, 3 times, so the minute I say 3 times, when I see the word times, that's multiplication, the quantity. Now the minute you see the word quantity, just make sure you have parentheses. And which quantity are we talking about? A number plus 10. So a number, when it says a number, we don't know what it is. So it's x, a number plus 10 is the same as, so is the same as can be replaced with an equal to sign, 5 times the number x. So 5 times, so that's multiplication, the number, we don't know what that number is, we've called it x, minus 2. So let's read this again as we are writing down the equation. It is 5 minus 3 times the quantity, a number x, plus 10 is the same as, is equal to 5 times x, so 5 times the number, so that's 5 times x, we've called the number x, minus 2. So we've set up the equation and we're going to stop here. We can solve it by simplifying both sides and solving for x. But here we'll just set up the equation using algebraic notation. Now let's look at this. The two sides of a rectangle are 5 plus x centimeters and x centimeters. So let's draw a rectangle. Let's just say this is x centimeters and this is 5 plus x centimeters. So that's a rectangle. The opposite sides are equal. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 50, find x. The perimeter is the sum of, so the perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the sides. So you go outside here, measure that, add this, and then finally add that. So all 4 sides are added. So it's 5 plus x, that's the perimeter, what I'm adding now. That's one side, plus the next, that's another side, plus the next side, which is 5 plus x. I'm going in a clockwise direction, starting with 5 plus x here. So I'm going this way. And then finally, I add another x. And the question says that the perimeter is 50. So what I've done here is I've set up the equation based on the sentence given here. It says the two sides of a rectangle are 5 plus x and x centimeters respectively. And if the perimeter is 50, which means if you add all the sides, all 4 sides of the rectangle, the sum of all 4 sides of the rectangle is 50. And what I've done here is set up an equation.